There's a reason why you don't get a lot of interior design clients when you run ads on Instagram, and that's because you use the boost post button. Whenever you boost post on Instagram, you get a lot of likes, views, and comments, but never shows inquiry. Now, I'm going to show you exactly how I help my past clients solve this problem. And if you're an interior designer and you are struggling deeply with getting clients on Instagram adverts, this is the right video for you. I'm going to walk through step by step how you can run adverts for your business using the ads manager itself, not just your phone. And this helps a lot in getting better quality leads and reducing your cost in adverts. Now, this is going to be a very detailed video, and I'll advise you to stick around and see how it can work for your business. Now, how does this entire system works? Whenever you run ads on Instagram and you boost posts, you have very weak targeting. You target based on age, location, and interest, and this is not enough to get proper clients. You get a lot of likes most times, some views, some followings, but it doesn't convert most time. And interior design is a very expensive service, and it's very unlikely for a client to hire you from just one single advert. Whenever you press that boost post button, you are boosting the post and hoping someone DMs you. You need a proper funnel that attracts and nurtures everyone that sees your adverts. Now, how does this system entirely works? Now, this is the structure here, and I'm going to explain to you how it works. And the first advert you run is what I call the profile visit advert. Now, in this kind of advert, we don't try to sell to your audience. We just want them to know that you exist. And there are three types of videos that we use. You have transformation angle, showing how you made a very ugly space to be very beautiful. You have client testimonials, perfect way to get clients, and you have authority and advice. Now, these videos that we use is just to give us attention. We don't try to sell. If you try to sell someone in your first video, their first encounter, they don't trust you enough and it makes your ad more expensive and they don't reach out to you. This just ensures that people see you and go to your profile and probably follow you. Now, what do we do once they follow you? We try to create a proper audience. Anyone that comes to your profile and sees your video, we can create an audience list. An audience list is those that watch your video based on how many minutes they watch that video. If you have a video that is 2 minutes and someone watches about 95% of that video, that person has serious interest in your service. And we now retarget them with more content. Now, someone that sees less of your video has less interest in your advert, and we don't retarget them. Anyone that sees more of your video, they have high intention, and they are closer to making a decision as soon as possible. We retarget them with content such as cost breakdown, client testimonials from past clients, and some free guides. The more they are exposed to your content and your videos, the easier it is for them to trust you. And that's how it works. But let's get back to the first part, that is actually running a profile visit advert from Instagram Ads Manager itself. This is Instagram Ads Manager, and I'm going to show how you can create a campaign from scratch. Now, I have one running right here. I'll walk through how that looks like. But if you want to start a new campaign objective, we click that plus icon. There are different campaign objectives, but you don't want to mix them up. For this video, we are running a traffic ad campaign. So let me show you the one that we have running. Now, if I come to edit button right here, I can see the campaign up that is being live here. I give it a name and I scroll down right here. I go to the asset level. Now, the asset allows us to choose our location, our budget, and other things. Now, for this advert right here, we want it to be sent to our Instagram or our Facebook page. Now, because we are running an Instagram ad campaign objective, we untick Facebook page and leave just Instagram alone. And when you scroll down here, you can see how much you want to spend. Depending on where you stay, you can put the budget. For clients that spend in USD, I advise you spend a minimum of $10 every day. If you're Nigerian, minimum ad spend should be around 7,000 naira or 2,000 naira for adverts. And when you scroll down right here, you can see different things like your location. And you want to be very, very careful. You want to ensure that you choose where you can serve. If you put a location that is very far from you, it will be hard for you to get proper conversion. Imagine you stay in New York and you have leads coming from Los Angeles. It doesn't make sense. If you can't travel that far, it doesn't make sense. So I advise to put the state that you stay in. Now, let's say you are in Lagos right here. You can just put Lagos right there. Now, your advert will show only to those that are in Lagos itself, and it's much more better for your ad campaign. And once you have that written there, you can scroll down to the next section. A lot of times, people try to get very, very technical and add a lot of details targeting right here. Detail targeting used to work, but right now, Instagram Ads has a very smart AI chatbot or system, and this AI system can look at your advert and show your ads to those that need to see your advert. So you don't have to worry so much about packing so many detailed targeting keywords right here. It doesn't work as it used to be. Instagram AI tool is so smart. I just leave it completely blank. But I try to put the age limit of those that should see my adverts. Anyone that is younger, 20, 21, might not have a house design. So I put the minimum age for 27. But depending on your market, you can understand who are your actual ideal audience and you can feed that to this campaign right here. And once you have that set here, we want to choose our placement. Where do we want our advert to be shown on? And because this campaign is an Instagram ads campaign, we want to show on Instagram alone. So we untick Facebook right here and we leave Instagram. Now we can see this is where our ads will show on different platforms on Instagram, on the feed, on the profile feed, on the Instagram Explore, on Instagram Reels and Story. This is where our ads going to show. Now it comes to advert. I like to test with at least 3 adverts. Now the reason why I use 3 adverts is because we want to test what works. A lot of times you might have just 1 advert and that ad might not perform well. When you have 3 adverts running, Instagram can see what advert is doing well and optimize the advert or kill the advert. An example of advert that worked well for my client, you have this right here, and it shows you exactly how it looks like on different views, both on the Instagram feed, the story, the reels, profile feed. It looks very, very seamless. Now, the key or the goal of this advert is to just introduce people to your video or your business. You don't try to sell them. And if someone sees your advert like this, they are innately drawn to seeing more from your content. Now, depending on how much they watch your content, we can now create a custom audience. Now, custom audience helps us with targeting. A lot of clients, even though we have different advert right here, a lot of clients will not reach out to you sometime from your first advert. It take a while. Now, the more they're exposed to you, the easier it is for them to trust you. And how can you build that exposure and trust? By sending them more content of value. You don't try to be so salesy. When you are too salesy, you appear desperate, and no one likes to shop from someone that is desperate. So we have different adverts. This is another video right that also works. Transformation angle. Now you made a very ugly space, very beautiful. I can see how it shows on different forms of your video. Now, this is exactly how it looks like and how it's set up. And you have different text or captions right here. If you go to your caption right here, you can put your captions and it just works this way. Now, once you have this published, this shows to exactly who needs to see it. Whenever someone goes on Instagram and searches for an iPhone, at some point, every advert that they see are iPhone adverts. Same thing applies with interior design. Whenever someone searches for interior design services, at some point, every advert that they see are interior design adverts, and they see your adverts and they go to your profile. Those that watch more of your video to some extent, we create that custom audience or list of them. We now send them more videos, and it's much more cheaper to retarget your audience than trying to get fresh eyeballs for your business. This is exactly how it looks like. So if you want me to help you set up your business, feel free to send me a DM and book a call with me. Bye.